Hello guys, so it's time to unbox the three new Mustangs that Hot Wheels released this year. And obviously since I'm a big Mustang fan, I had to get all these and unbox them. But before we start with that, here's a look at the new display case that I just got for myself and displaying the 12 of my best cars that I think that I should. Obviously this might change once I unbox these beauties, the Mustang GTD, the Shelby GT500 and the Series 7 Mustang. But once we do that, I think it's going to be interesting. Where should I put which one? So let's start with the unboxing. Let's start the video with unboxing the 67th Mustang, and that's what we got here. So beautiful car, the color looks good. It's a bit rusty at the back, and let's not wait anymore. And that's a clean piercing. I think I should be very proud of it. So here's the casting. If we can just put some focus on this. Sweet, and I think that's better. So this is an all black casting, and there's not, if you just can't focus properly you might miss a lot, but this is it. Now it is visible properly. The chassis looks good and the detailings are very good, very detailed. It is under the hood and you can see the color is a bit different here. It's gloss all the way around and then in the middle it's matte, and we have Ford here written, and we have the plastic inserts in the headlamp. That's it. That is a very good detailing. I think I need to help you to focus on it. Just wait a second. I think this shall help. This is better. From the sides, the detailings are very good. The insides are black as well, and that is making it better. From the back, it is not very much of a detailed car, but I think rest it suffices all the norms. The wheels are pretty nice to have, pretty nice to hold, and if we just put it down here and if we can just roll it, rolls very freely, and we can just put it here on the parking lot. Just one more showcase around the car. This is nice. So now it's time to unbox the second one, the Shelby GT500. And this is another clean car, another clean unboxing. Here it is. So since both the cars are based on the same body, I think the designs are pretty much the same, and you can see the plastic inserts here as well. If I can just focus it, I just focus on the car. The detailings under the chassis is also pretty good. The wheels match the color, 67 written as the year of production. From the rear it's not pretty detailed, but rest it looks very good. And with both of these cars put side by side, you won't be able to tell a lot of the difference, but yes, there is. The cars are pretty much different. The cars, logically if we say the cars are made by different entities, but they are true to the Mustang lineage, and keeping those two here, as you can see, just makes a pretty nice, pretty solid garage here. And now coming to the last part, I think this is pretty much what everyone wanted to have. The STH in the new cases is one of the new cases as well, and this is the Mustang GTD. Look at the color here. If we can focus, yes, the color here is the best among them, as this is black but a bit of matte. This is majorly glossy and gold, but this is a bit glossy, but the blue, the Spectra Flame blue sort of looks pretty good. And here the golden wheels, it's a nice detailing to add. The spoilers and the Mustang logo at the back. I think we need to zoom in a bit more here, and this is now pretty much focused now. You can see the detailings are pretty good. The hood and the detailings, or you can say the inspiration from the hood, it's almost similar, but I think more refined and more well designed, well architected down the years. And if we just put it along everyone, I think the best part is the horse, the logo at the back on the number plate. Not much detailings here, but a very solid casting. So here are all the three cars, and you can see very well detailed and I think I'm very proud to have these. No Mustang fan is going to get disappointed with these three. It's a very good looking casting. All three of them are very good looking. So here's the video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe and comment and tell me which one do you like the most. So signing off.